Coming already.
Okay, perfect, great.
Do you need EMS?
Pardon me? No, I'm okay. I'm just shook up.
20 cents too late. 54 on EMS. 10 with the complaint right now. Can I have your driver's license, please?
Oh, I don't have my license on me. No, I just have my ID.
Yeah.
I gotta call my boss to it. But I wanted to call the police before, while I still remembered the license plate number.
Yeah, no, I get that.
What's your date of birth?
4762.
4762?
Mm-hmm.
20 cents too late. 65 a name and DOB. Last name Larson, common spelling. First name Bobette. Bravo, Oscar, Bravo, Echo, Tango, Tango, Echo. So far. DOB 4/7/1962. Y female. 1048.
Do you want a water or anything?
I'm good. I just live across the street,
Oh, okay.
so I'm okay.
So what happened, Miss Bobette?
I was standing over there and I was going to come across the street and the car was coming, so I blew my whistle, put my sign out, and she just come flying up to the stop, and she went through the, like over the, not the crosswalk sign, but the white, and I went, stop. I said, it's 20 miles an hour through here. And she goes, get out of my way. And I started to walk and she started to go. Well, I didn't even have time to get out of the way. And she just kept coming at me. So I put my hands on the car like this and she just kept pushing, going forward and pushing me. And I was just like, stop. And she just like turned her car and went the other way, you know, went around me. And when she went down, then I was able to see what her license plate number was. Woo!
So did she know she hit you?
Yeah, she came at me, and I put my hands down, and she kept pushing forward, and she hit my legs.
Do you want to pursue charges?
Yeah.
You want to arrest statement for me?
Definitely. Miles an hour through here, and she goes, get out of my way. And I put my hands on the car, because she kept pushing forward. And then she came through, she like hit like my thighs, not hard, but she was like trying to push me out of the way. And I go, stop, and she goes, get out of my way. And she turned, and she went around me and took off.
Miss Bobette, do you have a driver's license from Florida or out of Florida?
I have a Florida.
I'll get it all.
Yeah.
Just your name, address, name, date of birth, address, a good phone number for you, and then fill out exactly what you just told us what occurred.
Because I'd say she was young. She might have been late 20s, early 30s, black. I couldn't tell what her size was.
Do you saw that car coming out from the school?
No, it was coming down Superior Boulevard.
Superior Boulevard? Okay.
Yeah. No, it didn't come out of the school because I saw her way back there.
Okay.
Yeah, because that's when because I gave her plenty of time to see me coming, put my sign up and
your whistle fell.
Yeah.
That's all right. Doesn't matter if you had a sign or a whistle or not. The fact that she was yelling at you until you get out of the way because she saw you, and you're a pedestrian, so you have the right of way. And you're clearly marked as a crossing guard. Where were you at when this occurred? Center of the intersection or in the crosswalk?
No, that one, Papa.
I was in the crosswalk.
You were in the crosswalk.
I was just coming out into the crosswalk, and she came flying up, and so I'd say I was probably
you're
5 feet out into the crosswalk already.
I'm just gonna take a picture of you so we can see what you're wearing. And that's your sign and stuff over there?
Yeah.
You want to prosecute, correct?
Yeah. That's ridiculous.
I agree.
That's ridiculous. I mean, she wouldn't even let me get out of the way. I was trying to get out of the way when I told her to stop, and she just kept coming at me. So I was afraid if I know I can't push the car away, but if I put my hands up, I was afraid she'd knock me over. And then
So you did put your hands on the hood?
Yeah.
Perfect. I want to dust the car for Friday.
I got a witness too.
Yeah, who's witness?
One of the...
If you can find out who they are, give me a statement from them.
She's from the county. The one that come, the one that come
Which one? What color hair?
a black female. Do you have a pepper shirt today?
Yes.
You.
I want to say a white top, but I can't be positive.
You saw her hair? Did she have braids?
Yeah, she had black. Nope, she had just black hair. And it was just kind of combed, you know, nice. It wasn't braids or anything. It was just short, from what I could tell. Had her bangs combed over.
Right.
20 cents is too late.
What is it? 8?
Signal 14. The driver is a black female. She have regular hair, no braids. 1048.
That's what she did. She just went right over the line as I was in the crosswalk. And I told her stop. I said, it's 20 miles an hour from here. You gotta stop. And she goes, get out of my way.
Oh, she went to Orange County.
What she did?
That's what number said that the LPR hit going on Schofield Road. That's what he said. Schofield Road and going to Cook. So that's Orange County then.
Okay. I'll go to the school or the house and we'll find out.
Hello.
Hi.
So I'm Deputy Snow.
Hi.
I'm assistant with this. So what happened with the phone call?
Okay. She called and I could tell she was a black woman. She was kind of panicking and I could see the numbers. I immediately wrote it down and I realized it was her.
Okay.
I did hear the other woman come in, but she spoke Spanish and told my coworker what she had seen down here. It was
Okay.
one of our parents dropping off a child.
Okay.
And I do understand what she was saying. So I did know something happened and we sent people out here. So she calls and she says, this happens all the time. She has her 3-year-old in the car and she has to go to Apaka every day to take the child there. And this woman has done this. She's got it in for her. She's all the time trying to stop her every day for no reason. And she hit her car with her stop sign. And so she went around. I said, you didn't hit her with your car? No. I said, she said, yes. She got up and walked away. That's what she told me.
Okay.
And that she's got it in for her. That was it. Strictly not my fault. Didn't do it. She hit my car with her stop sign.
Do you mind filling out a piece of paper, just put on paper what you just told me?
Okay. I didn't. Well, it was a note I wrote.
Okay. Yeah, just on our form real quick. Let me get it set up for you. Yeah. Let me see it real quick.
Okay. I forgot. The reason she called, she wanted the the crossing guard's name.
Okay.
That's what it was. And I said, you know, they work for the sheriff's department. And she's got the right to stop you. And
Well,
she,
even at the end of the day, if there's no kids or anything, like
yeah, and that's what she was saying. Nobody's around, blah, blah, blah.
well, the crossing guard, like
said somebody was
pedestrian in the crosswalk has right away.
I know, absolutely. I mean, I tried to explain that to her. And from what I understood, she was sitting down because she was hit by the car.
Yeah.
Or that she pushed her with the car or whatever. I don't know.
Well, so the way the statute reads for battery, it's unwanted touch or strike. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be like a hit. Like
Right.
That could be battery.
Okay, gotcha.
Just
Yeah.
a touch.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, no, I didn't do anything to her. She hit my car with her sign.
yeah.
And I was like, no, look at she hit with you.
Yeah. Well, we have her phone number and stuff. We've
Yeah.
talked to her.
Yeah, I
We're
took
gonna
the phone
talk to her.
number down. Well, she did give it to me. I said,
Okay.
I'll report this for you. That's what I said to her.
Thank you. All right. Can you do me a favor? Can you raise your right hand?
Okay.
You swear that everything in this affidavit is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you. All right. I need your signature right here.
Okay, right here.
Yep. And that's all I need from you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Alrighty.
Be out at the fairground side and I was in contact with the subject. Hello, Zay. What'd you say? Zayna. Oh, Deputy Mayor's Lake County Sheriff's Office. Tell me so now that I'm here with you, what happened?
So basically, I'm trying to make sure I'm not sitting in the air car because there's a lot of ants over here. So basically, the lady who stopped me for months, I don't know if it's because she has a problem with me or what it is, but every time it's nobody out there like crossing, because the only time she probably see me is on Thursdays, because that's when I'm off. I take my daughter to school a little later at like 9, but I have to leave early because her school's in the Papa. Only time she see me is on Thursdays. If it's nobody outside, like it looks empty like that, she will purposely stop me for no reason, and I sit there for a good 5-10 minutes just sitting in my car because it's nobody there, and then she'll let me go. So today,
You have dash cam or anything?
no,
No. Okay.
I wish I did, because I was going to record it, but I was just, I'm not finna do all that because that's
Okay.
a little extra. I'm driving, my baby's in the car, I got my camera, I'm not doing that.
How old's
So-
your child?
She's only 2.
2. Okay.
Who is that? She's only, I don't even know who that is. She's only 2, so I'm not finna speed in the car with my baby. Like, that's one thing I
Okay.
never do.
Well, I'm
I
not
don't
here for
speed.
speeding.
Yeah, I don't speed or anything. But no, it's because she stopped me and she was like, you need to stop, you're speeding. I'm just like, I'm not speeding. I'm going 20 miles per hour. That's the
Okay.
speed limit. And she literally like, can I demonstrate?
Sure.
But so she took on my car like first she was right here and she told me to stop. Then she walked up to my car and was like this, you need to stop. And I'm just like, why are you in my car? So I backed it up and I put it in park, and she's walking closer to my car. Every time I try, back up to avoid her, she's coming closer. So I just put my car in park. So she's on this side of my car. My car already been damaged from October, so somebody did.
Right. I can see that's older damage.
Yes, someone did a hit and run on my car. So she was standing like this, trying to point at me. And I'm just like, can you please move? Like, I'm just trying to take my baby to school. Can you please move? She did not move. But mind you, the road over there, like, you can see how big it is. She's literally standing right here on the side of my car. She's literally a step away from the sidewalk. She's standing on my car and hit my car. So what I do, I back in reverse and I speed past her, because now you're hitting my car. I'm not doing anything to you. I'm in the car, didn't even get out.
She's hitting it with what?
Her stop sign.
Where?
She hit it like this. She hit it. I don't know if it's any marks, but she hit my car right here, like right here. She hit it with the stop sign.
Okay.
It's like, you need to stop, like hitting my
Okay.
car. So I sped around. There's no reason for you to stop. Not speeding. If nobody in school, I don't know if they have certain hours or not, but you can clearly tell that everybody's in school and nobody's out. It's no kids, no adults, no nothing.
Were the yellow lights still flashing on the lights?
No.
No?
No.
They weren't?
No. When I was there, no, they weren't. But I was still, trying to be.
Well, I'm going to let you know, when I went back through there to talk to her, all the yellow lights were working. And when I was here early, when I was in the area at 7:45, all the lights were on. So they stay on constantly. They don't shut off, turn back on. So before the incident occurred, the lights were working. After the incident occurred, they were still flashing.
Yeah, I was still
So that tells me that they were still flashing when you went through the incident occurred. So for you to tell me that they weren't flashing is false.
Yeah, but I'm saying I was still doing the speed limit.
Okay.
I wasn't speeding or anything.
I'm not here for speeding.
Yeah, I know that. But she got on my car. I was in the, I don't know, like, I was before the line of the stop sign.
Okay.
So I was just sitting there. She walked up to my car.
Do you have your ID on you?
Yes, I do.
Just so I can verify exactly who you are. Are there any weapons in the vehicle?
But the harassment's been going on for months.
Okay. Why haven't you contacted somebody at the school about that?
I didn't know where to contact them. I asked my mom about it. She was like, you could probably call the school, but I just never had time to.
Okay.
It's always so early.
Okay. All right. So what's going to happen now is, based on witness statements and everything, you are going to go to jail for aggravated battery with motor vehicle. Okay.
Can I at least put my phone in my...
Yep. We'll let your mom come out and get all that stuff. Is there anything you want to go with jail with you?
My phone?
You want your phone to
Your
go?
phone? Which one is that? The green one or the one on the hood?
It's the one on the hood. But why am I going to jail?
1915, like Miss Brown's 1015.
Can I unlock it to call her dad? So
I'm gonna let your mom know. So come over here.
why am I going to jail?
I told you, aggravated battery of the motor vehicle.
But I didn't hit her with my car.
That's not what all the witnesses are saying. Your statement does not match what our independent witness said.
What did the witness say?
The witness said you drove up and you were in the crosswalk.
I wasn't in the. Can you at least ring the doorbell and tell my mom?
We will.
Please?
Hello, WB Sheriff's Office. Yeah, I'll let you know. How do you say it? Zayna?
Yeah.
She's going to go to jail for aggravated battery on a motor vehicle. After speaking with the witnesses and her, it's found that she ran into the crossing guard intentionally with her vehicle, disregarding the crossing guard's orders to stop. So she'll be going to Lake County Jail. She'll have no bond. She'll have to appear in front of a judge, and then the judge will issue her a bond amount. Okay.
My God, are you serious, sir? So her word means nothing?
Well, I have the victim's statement. I have an independent witness that told me what they
was the
saw.
crossing guard trying to stop her for? If you just
I have no idea. It doesn't matter. Crossing guard is a pedestrian in the crosswalk. Pedestrians have the right of way in the state of Florida while in the crosswalk. Okay. Regardless if they're a crossing guard or just a kid or just some random person, they're in the crosswalk, they have a right of way. So because of that, because the independent witness and what they told me and what they observed, and then what she told me, and what she told me I can confirm is not true with some of the parts she told me, is as far as what was going on. That's why she's going to jail. Okay?
Thank you.
And she'll appear in front of a judge, and then the judge will issue a bond. She'll be allowed to make phone calls. She wants you also to be able to lock up her car, get some of her stuff out of her car, sit in the driveway.
Is the keys and
I believe the keys are in it.
everything?
Yeah.
Okay, you keep the license?
I keep license to go with her to her phone. She'll have a phone to get some
So is
phone
she in
numbers.
the car now?
She's in my car, yeah.
Can I come out?
Absolutely. If you want to talk to her, you can.